thank you all for coming. Once again, happy International Women's Day. We congratulate you all. We are grateful that you took out time to come out here and celebrate with us as well. I would like to thank Ilbano. Ilbano has been very graceful to us, and we really appreciate you, Princess. I'm here to introduce iCreate Africa. iCreate Africa is a company that intends to change the narrative about skills development, technical and vocational education in general. What iCreate Africa has pushed is to make you see the skills or the artisans as a meaningful job. Thank you very much once again for coming. I appreciate you all.
Is Engineer Miss James. I'm so happy to be here today because my main reason of coming is because I've been in Abuja for a while and I haven't seen or met any ladies that do what I do. So it's really fascinating and exciting to be here to meet other women that do what I do. And I hope to find more drive to push further for what I want in my career and to achieve my goals and my aim, being one of the leading women in construction in Nigeria.
I'm really excited to be here to network with other women in the industry. I'm a new entrant into the construction space, and that's why I really needed to be here so I can meet with my peers and network and get some work done while at it. And happy International Women's Day to everyone. Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rita. I'm the head of business development for Terra Developers. Today I'm attending the conference for women in construction because, like every other field, women have been underestimated in their various fields, and I've been impressed to see a lot of engineers, QSAs, and people who have been doing very well in the construction industry. And I hope to take that out to the others and let other women know that they are not alone in their fields and they can do whatever they want to. They put their heart to it.